boys and girls, welcome back. It's time to frost our half moons. And as you can see, they're quite large. So you flip your half moons over so that you're frosting on the bottom. Now this frosting is not regular buttercream by any stretch. It's more of a thicker ganache. It's not like regular buttercream. Okay? So you're going to put chocolate just on one side, just like this. Put chocolate just on one side. Then you put vanilla on the other side. And that's why this is called a half moon. And it looks like that. I'm going to do one more so you can see it. I'm going to put vanilla on one side. You put as much frosting on as you want. It's up to you. It's not regular buttercream. I will put my recipe in the email that comes with this video. It's more of a ganache. And you put chocolate on the other side and spread it. And it's got a beautiful half moon cookie. I hope you had fun baking with me today, and I hope you enjoy these cookies. Bye-bye.